Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So I do have a cover for the Jeep Gladiator. When I had the Jeep Wrangler, I had a cover for it. It was a real cheap one. This one actually should be a pretty good one from the price and from the specs, what it says. But this company sent it to me to review. It says Borden. It even has a case to put it in, which is cool. And we're going to take it out of this package and put it on here. I'll read some of the specs. I can't just memorize them all, so I'll just read them to you. But it says 6-layer premium material, breathable, 210T polyester fabric, high reflective silver spray coating on the outside. The inner of the waterproof cover is made of soft cotton, so it don't scratch your vehicle, to protect your vehicle, which is cool. And this is, of course, protection from the UV rays and bad weather. If you have this thing out, even in hail, you better off to have one of these on than to not have one. So let's take this thing out, stick it on here and see how it fits. This is a 2020 Jeep Gladiator, but it should fit pretty much any of them. So it looks like it does come with also some straps where you could strap it down if you need to. And it comes with a lock. I've seen these before. There's not much of a cable. I think somebody could take that off pretty easy, but you put the cover on and take it under your vehicle or something and strap it. And it's got a little combination lock here that you can, so see it right there. Combination lock that you can put on it just to, I guess, keep somebody from stealing it. Don't know how good it would stop them, but I guess it's better than nothing. If it gets tight, if it gets tight, see what it's hung on. It's probably hung on something. This goes over here. Over here. Makes sense. Antenna kind of on me anyway. Okay, now, will it go over my big bumper? Well, it will. Which is good. Okay guys, there it is. Actually looks really good and fits really good. I'm actually impressed because this is like a padded material, it feels like. I think it's just you can see this cotton-like material on the inside here. See the buckles here, so you can buckle it down. There's also straps here that you can hook onto the wheels to hold it. Because you're getting some big wind, it would probably blow it off if you don't want that. But these here fit right over the mirrors. Nice. Got the reflective part on here, and then another one for the wheel here on the back. See how it goes over the bed? There's a reflector piece on each corner, right here and here. So, yes, looks good. This strap would go underneath, I'd say, and hook to the buckle on the other side. And then you can hook your lock onto this and put your lock on here and cable. And there's the reflective part on this side. One of the coolest things that I do like, I actually didn't know if it would, but it actually fits over my big bumper, because I got a big bumper on here with a 10,000 pound winch, and it fits right over it with the bumper, so you don't have to worry about if you got a Jeep with an aftermarket bumper. It goes right over, it fits good. You see the reflective thing here on the front, reflective there. Perfect fit on this Gladiator, and it would still work with 35s. Right now I have the stock tires on the Jeep. We're just going ahead and running these for a while, save the big tires, and she's going back for it to work. So we're just saving our big tires running these. Fits good on our steps. Absolutely fabulous. We could probably pull this down a little bit right here, like so. Strap it on there, and even in hail, because it's padded, it's going to help some. Now it might not stop all hail damage, big enough hail, but it's bound to help a lot. So I really like this thing, and a nice way to take it out and protect if you're going to leave your Jeep sitting out for a long time. This would be a good thing to have. You know how expensive a Gladiator is, and you definitely want to take care of it. So thumbs up for me on this one. I will put a link in the description below. You can check these out. And check out the specs on my Amazon. Thank you all for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Right on.